Hey everyone, this is Alper, the founder of Rabet, and in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use and install Rabet, and essentially I'm gonna give you a demo of different parts of the extension. Alright, let's go. To get started, you need to install Rabet on your Chrome browser. There are some ways you can do that, but I'm just gonna show you the easiest way. All you have to do is to type Rabet.io on your Chrome browser and click on Chrome extension, and then click on add to Chrome, add extension, and we're just waiting until the installation is finished. Alright, it's done. Alright, when you open the application for the first time, it asks you to set a password. I'm just gonna write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and like so. And here, since I have not imported or created any accounts on this wallet, it asks me to either create an account or import one. I'm just gonna create an account, call it my main account, and now I have my account, and you can see that my balance is 0, and it means that this account is not active yet, and I need to activate it. And in order to activate it, I need someone else to send me at least one XLM. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright, good. Now that we have an active account, there are some other things that I want you to know. For example, on the top left, there is this icon here that you can click anywhere on the application, and it will take you to the home page of the application. And in top center, there is this select input that you can choose between different networks of the Stellar. Like in test network, my balance is 0, and I can switch back to main network, and I can see that my balance is updated, and I have this asset XLM that I can click, and it shows me a little bit of details about this asset. And in transactions, I can see that there is a transaction here. And if I click on this icon, there are some options here like edit name, show private key, show flags. Edit name just edits my active account's name. I can name it like main, or I don't know, whatever I want. And now there is this other button here, show private key, that I have to do every time I create a new account, and I have to always save this private key because it's very important. And then show flags, that will take me to flags page, and you can activate or deactivate whatever you want here. And if you don't know what flags are, you have to read Stellar documentation first. And in top right, there is this icon here that you can click, and you can see all your accounts. I can either create another account and name it like my other account, and I can switch between these accounts very easily, like so. And I can either create a wallet, import my wallet, and settings and lock. It will lock the application, and I have to enter my password one more time. And in settings, there are some options here. For example, you can choose what's your default explorer. Now it's this, but you can choose a different one if you like. There is this auto lock timer that allows you to automatically close the application after a specific date. For example, if I set this to 5 minutes, the application will ask me to enter my password after 5 minutes from now. And there is this privacy mode here that it's related to how the extension interacts with apps. If you activate it, all the applications that want to access your wallet would have to access your permission first. And but if you disable it, applications can access your public key without your permission. So I think it's an important one. You have to always know that either turn it on, but if you're doing some development, you can turn it off. Also this add asset button here that I can click, and it has two tabs: search asset and custom asset. And search asset is used to add popular assets to your account. For example, let's say I want to add Bitcoin on my account. I search Bitcoin and click on add. I'm just waiting for the network. Yeah, this is a transaction hash. And after that, I can see Bitcoin on my asset list here. I can click on it. There are some details about it, and I can delete it if I want. And there's also this tab here, custom asset, that you can manually use to add an asset. If you search your asset here and it's not here, you can use custom asset and do it manually. Now that I added an asset to my account, if I go to transactions, I see that a transaction happened here, trust Bitcoin by this issuer. And if I click on this, a new tab on my browser will be created and show this transaction to me with the specified explorer. So I can come to settings and change this explorer, and then if I click on this transaction, it would show me this transaction on that specified explorer. There is this receive button here that would show you your public key and your QR code equivalent to that. And if you click on operation, I think this is the most important part in our application, one of the most important parts that you can use to do operations and send transactions to anyone. And you can do it in many ways. You can delete this, create another one, change it to some other operation that you like, and let's say I want to make a payment and send a money to my friend's account, and then do some other operations as well, like manage data or something. And let's do that. Actually, I have this other account here. I can click on this address to copy it. Now in my main account that I have like 12 XLMs, I can click on operation. In payment, I can paste my destination and choose like 4 or 5, I don't know, XLMs, and then create another operation, call it manage data. This is my name, this is my value, and you can also write memo here if you like. It's not required. I'm just gonna say for my friend, and then click on send. And now in this page you can see a summary of your transaction. It has 2 operations: create account with this destination and amount, manage data, this memo, and this transaction is being sent by this source account. I can either confirm it or reject this transaction. I'm just gonna confirm it and see what happens next. Alright, we can see the transaction hash. I can click on OK. Now I can see that my XLM has been updated to something else, and also the price in US dollars. I can click on transactions and I can see that there is this create account here. We chose payment, but it's actually create account because this account here was not active and we had to activate it. So our application found out about it and chose create account. And now this account is active. It has 5 XLMs, and yep, in transactions you can see this transaction here, create account. Let's swap some XLMs to USDT, US dollars if you like. You can click on add asset, search for USDT here, click on add. Alright, transaction hash. Okay, we have this asset here. If I click on operation, I can choose pass payment strict send, and I can enter my destination like so. Operation, my own destination, all my XLMs, and I want to swap them to US dollars, like at least 1 cent. Let's change this to 3.3. I think everything is done. I can click on send here, confirm. Alright, transaction hash. Now you can see that my XLM balance has been updated, and I have some US dollars here, 1.3 US dollars. And now you can see that I cannot remove this asset because I have some balance in it. It's like 1.3. There is one more thing that I want you to talk about, and it's that in our Rabet page here, we have 2 links, developers and support, that you can click on, and we have documentations for each features of the application here that you can read. You can even read them on Stellar documentation if you don't understand. And for developers, how to interact with our applications and extension, there is this documentation here that you can read. It's very straightforward and easy. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one, everybody.